This tutorial will show you how to achieve a clean lace wig reinstall using Got2b and avoid residue plus product buildup on your face. After tinting the lace and adjusting the wig straps as well as cleaning your forehead area to remove any oils or product buildup, place the wig on your head. You're going to position the wig on your forehead where you want it to lay. Then you're going to use a white pencil and you're going to use that to make faint markings on your lace. You're going to spray the Got2b on your finger and apply the product onto your skin, but make sure the product is behind the line. Always the Got2b needs to be behind the line. Don't spray too much. 1 or 2 pumps is enough on your finger. You're gonna allow it to get slightly dry and then repeat the process again. With the second coat, you're going to make sure that the product is sticky or tacky before you lay the lace. You can even use a hairdryer to speed up the process, or you can just let it air dry. Before you lay the lace, make sure that you remove any stray hairs that get stuck on your skin using either your fingers or the rat tail comb. Then you're going to place the lace on the glue or on your skin, but make sure it is either on the white line or slightly behind the white line, never in front of the line. You're going to press your lace into the skin and secure it using your hands or a comb. If there's any lace that is not secure, you can apply more spray to that area using either a rat tail comb or your fingers. Before you melt in the lace for 15 minutes using any elastic band, make sure that the glue is bone dry. After 15 minutes, you remove the melting band, and this is how the lace area or the hairline area should look. So there should be some residue, but as you can see, it is not messy, so therefore it won't be difficult to clean up. You will use water to remove this residue. From here, you can add powder to the lace to tint it. You can style the hair as desired, define the parting space, whatever you feel like. If you enjoyed this beginner wig install tutorial, make sure to watch this next one by clicking or tapping on this next video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.